If you are a consultant struggling with complex datasets and tight deadlines, Powerdrill's AI report generator is the tool for you. Let's try market entry analysis. Upload data, including market size, competitor info, and customer demographics. Powerdrill automatically cleans and analyzes your data. In one click, it generates a professional report, presenting market growth trends, market share, customer segment potential, and future market projections. With summaries, charts, and insights, the report is tailored for client presentations. Want more targeted analysis? Just ask, do competitor weaknesses correspond with lower market share? Powerdrill compares average market shares, presents weakness analysis by numerical data and bar charts, and provides interpretive insights explaining their relationship. No more hours on data analysis and reports. Powerdrill handles them for you. Transform your consulting workflow with Powerdrill.